Are you above 35 years of age? Are you currently earning maybe 15 to 20 lakhs per year, but still struggling because of family responsibilities like children's education, household expenses, and financial pressure? Somewhere inside, are you feeling that your income is not enough and you want to do something more in life? Then don't skip this video, because in the middle and towards the end, I am going to share some very important insights that can completely change your career direction. I am MVK. I am currently working as a CTO in Dubai, and I have nearly 25 years of experience in the IT industry. I started my career as an SAP consultant and gradually grew into leadership roles. Today I want to talk to you not just as a YouTuber, but as someone who has worked on real projects, hired hundreds of people, and seen how careers actually grow in the real world. Let me be very honest with you. Today there are many people giving career advice on YouTube and social media, but some of them don't even have 2 or 3 years of real industry experience. They talk based on theory, not reality. They don't understand how companies actually operate, how decisions are made, or what skills are truly valued. Because of this, many people are getting confused and some are even stressed mentally. That is one of the main reasons I decided to make this video. In this video, I will explain why SAP is still a strong career option even in the AI era, how you can choose the right module based on your background, how you can start from zero, and whether you can really succeed after 35. So I strongly recommend that you watch or at least listen to this video completely, because every part is important. Now let's address the biggest fear today. Everyone is talking about AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and others are becoming very powerful. Today, AI can design websites, write code, build applications, and even deploy them. Earlier, we needed separate people for design, front-end, back-end testing, and deployment. AI can do a large part of that work. So your doubt is absolutely valid. You may be thinking, if AI is doing everything, then why should I move into technology, or why should I choose SAP? Here is the key point that most people don't understand. SAP is not just an IT profession. It is a functional consulting profession. That is why we use the word consultant, not just developer or engineer. Consultant careers do not disappear easily. Think about a doctor. Doctor is also a consultant. No matter how much technology advances, people will always need doctors because they provide understanding, judgment, and trust. Similarly, in SAP, what we do is not just technical work. Let me simplify this for you. Suppose you are working in finance. As an SAP consultant, I will come to you, understand your business processes, how your company works, how your accounting flows, and then I will map those processes to SAP. I will explain to you how SAP best practices work, and I will convince you to adopt them. SAP as a product is already built by thousands of companies and experts. We are not building SAP from scratch. We are implementing it, customizing it, and guiding businesses to use it effectively. So where is the major work happening? It is in understanding people, processes, and decision making. That is why human interaction is critical here, and this is exactly why AI cannot replace this role easily. Now, this brings me to a very important point, especially for people above 35 or 40. Our age is not a disadvantage. In fact, it is your biggest strength. Why? Because you have maturity in decision making. You don't take random decisions like a fresher. You have real business experience. You might have handled customers, managed teams, solved real problems, and taken responsibility in your job. Another important advantage is stability. Younger professionals tend to switch jobs frequently, but experienced professionals are more stable, and companies value that a lot. I have personally hired a large number of people over the years, especially in regions like UAE, Saudi Arabia, and across the Middle East. One thing I can confidently tell you is that experienced professionals are always valued. Even if you are new to SAP, your domain experience combined with SAP knowledge becomes a very powerful combination. Companies are not just looking for SAP experience, they are looking for people who understand business. Now, let me tell you a real example. After COVID, a person approached me. He was around 38 years old and wanted to switch to SAP. He was working in projects, so I suggested that he take up SAP project systems, also known as SAP PS. He completed his training, and within 2 to 3 months, he got an internship opportunity. Today, he is working in Dubai and earning around 35,000 AED per month, which is roughly 7 to 8 lakhs per month in Indian currency, and that too tax-free. So please don't tell yourself that it is too late. It is not too late if you take the right steps. Now the next question is, which SAP module should you choose? This depends completely on your background. If you are from a finance or accounts background like MBA Finance, CA, BCom or MCom, then SAP FICO is the best option for you. If you are from an HR background working in recruitment, payroll or performance management, then SAP SuccessFactors is suitable. If you are from a production or engineering background, especially if you have worked in factories or manufacturing, then SAP PP, which is production planning, is a good fit. If you are into maintenance or facility management, then SAP PM plant maintenance is suitable. If your experience is in procurement, purchasing or supply chain, then SAP MM is the right choice. If you are working in project execution or planning, then SAP PS is ideal. And if you are in sales or have experience dealing with customers, then SAP SD is the best option for you. If you are still confused about which module to choose, you can comment your age, your current job, and your educational background. We'll try to guide you or create a separate video addressing such cases. Let's talk about the action plan. First, you need to select your module based on your background. Don't overthink this step. Once you select the module, you need to spend around 3 to 6 months learning the basics. But here is a very important point. Just watching training videos is not enough. You must practice. Without practice, you cannot succeed in SAP. You need to make mistakes, face errors, resolve issues and understand how things actually work. That is where real learning happens. The next step is to find a mentor. Try to connect with someone who is already working in SAP in the same module you are learning. Learn from their experience, take guidance and understand real project scenarios. After that, you need to build a strong resume. Don't just copy generic resumes from the internet. Create a meaningful resume that reflects your domain experience and your SAP knowledge. Update your LinkedIn profile properly. If possible, try to explore opportunities within your current organization itself. If your company is implementing SAP, try to get involved in that project. That will be a huge advantage. Finally, start applying for jobs consistently. Use platforms like LinkedIn and job portals. Apply regularly. The first 3 to 6 months may be difficult. You may not get immediate results. But once you enter the SAP field and gain 1 or 2 years of experience, your career will completely transform. One more important thing to remember is this. Business processes do not change. Finance will always remain finance. Sales will remain sales. Procurement will remain procurement. What changes is the technology used to execute these processes. SAP is built on strong business processes, and that is why it continues to remain relevant even as technology evolves. So if you are serious about your career, if you want to grow, and if you don't want to struggle financially for the rest of your life, take action today. Don't delay. Start your journey. If you found value in this video, please subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who might benefit from it, and comment your details so I can guide you further. Thank you very much.